Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video, and today I will be flying the 737. Now, I do know how this works. And we are off, I guess. Alright. Altitude. Still low speed. Take off at 200. Alright. Whoa. It's pretty trippy. Wait, I can just fly like this. Well, that's cool. Wait, my engine, well, my gear needs to go up. Alright, anyways. But, yeah, so I bought this game like a few days ago. It was pretty fun. 737 is like a pretty cool plane to fly. But, yeah, so. Whoa. Hold on, I'm losing a bit of control. But, yeah, so. Break some stuff, you see. Wait, why am I losing out? Wait. But yeah, so this game's pretty cool. It has crash physics, like, look, do this. See? Crash physics. And yeah. So it's pretty cool. Now I'm restart. Also, there's like fighter jets and all that other types of stuff. Navigation lights on. What the? Anyways, I'm gonna try to test out this experiment real quick. Well, can I even land this though? Anyways, I'm just fly around real quick and then I'm gonna try to land this. So a little time lapse if I can add one. Whoa! Okay, yeah, definitely a time lapse. Oh! I wasn't so successful like that. But yeah, there is a lot of other planes. Look, we can go get another one. By the way, the game costs $10. It's called Simple Planes. Why is it not loading? But yeah. So I mean, the game's pretty fun. I like to fly planes, obviously. But yeah, so if y'all ever feel like downloading this game, then it's pretty cool. Anyways, final takeoff until I end the video. I'm getting a lot of speed right now. Wait, what if I just do nothing? Okay, well, anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I will see you. Wait, hold up. Let this man try to land. Multiple parts. Whoa! Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next one. Bye!